Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing extremely well. So today in this video we are going to talk about multiple hiring opportunities. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that you can get a proper idea regarding the selection process, eligibility criteria and every information that is mandatory for you. Also, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed the channel till now and be a part of our Telegram community as well. We have many students like you who are engaging with different queries and everything they can ask on our Telegram channel. So be a part of our Telegram channel, right? So that you don't miss any important update or opportunity from us, and do subscribe the channel as well. So talking about our first opportunity, so that is from Accenture. So you can see that they are basically hiring for the role of system and application services associate. Let's explore the job description as well, like who is eligible and everything. About Accenture, there is some points given. You can just go through it. That it is a global professional services company with leading capabilities in digital, cloud, and security, combining unmatched experience and specialized skills. So many such things are given. You can just go through it. We'll be talking about the major points only. Coming to the role overview, so you can see that join our team that improve the way our clients and the world works, working in challenging and dynamic environments using their versatility to create and support solutions that meet client requirements from analysis to implementation. So what you will be doing is app cloud engineering, identify and solve issues within application and infrastructure, drive resolution of functional, technical and infrastructure issues for clients, guide clients with a variety of expertise, focus on driving automation, self-service and evolving cloud infrastructure environments. Project control services, so regarding project control services as well, also they have given some points that you will be working on, that like is manage multiple stakeholders to align priorities and directions, proactively monitor, manage, report on execution of deliverables, low or no code app development, test automation engineering. So this as well they have provided. Now what is the eligibility criteria for this particular role? All streams, branches. Okay, so that is a good thing that there is no branch restriction. So all streams and branches of BSc, BCA, BA, BCom and BBA. So make a note of that BTech has not been specified here. So BSc, BCA, BA, BCom and BBA students of 2020 and 2021 batch can apply for it. So many of the times BSc students do ask, BCA students do ask for opportunity. So this is a wonderful opportunity for you from Accenture. So any of your friend who is from 20 or 21 batch and is holding these degrees as specified in the eligibility criteria, you can refer this video to him so that they can also apply for this opportunity. No active backlogs during application or during onboarding. Maximum 1 year gap in education post 10th standard till completion of graduation. Candidates should not have appeared for essential recruitment assessment interview process in last 3 months. Ability to anticipate and resolve business issues with agility. Versatile with aptitude to learn and apply new skills faster, good analytical and problem solving skills, and proficient in verbal and communication skills. Candidate must be eligible to work in India either by citizenship. Please note that Bhutan and Nepal nationals can work in India without a need for obtaining a work visa. Okay, so now you must have understood everything about this job opportunity. So if you are eligible for it, do apply. And if any of your friend is eligible, then make sure to share the video among your friends and they can apply for it. Coming to our next opportunity, so that is from Tech Mahindra. Here you can see candidate must have acquired the qualification mentioned hereafter in these instructions as a regular scholar from an institution that is duly approved by UGC and recognized by AICTE. Candidate having acquired the qualification. Okay, so let's talk about that who is eligible for this particular opportunity from Tech Mahindra. So engineering streams branch eligible are computer science, computer engineering, IT, ENC, ENTC, telecom, communication, electronics or MCA, MSc computer science students are eligible. So candidate having scored minimum of 60% in 10th, 12th engineering degree and MCA are eligible for this drive. In case candidate has done diploma after 10th, then minimum of 60% in diploma is mandatory. Where the candidate has done both 12th or equivalent and diploma, then also there is a criteria of 60% in both 10th as well as diploma, right? So here you can see that they've specified that this program is open only for engineering graduates and MCA candidates who are passed out in 2020. Candidates completing their graduation in 2021 and having their consolidated mark sheet or provisional degree certificate issued can also apply. So both 2020 as well as 2021 batch students can apply. But one thing is there that a 2021 batch students should have their provisional degree certificate. So I hope that most of you must be having it, so you can apply for it, right? This is not open to candidates who have passed out these courses prior to 2020. Also MTech candidates are also not eligible for this program. Okay, so here some other points as well mentioned that system recognize percentage grade only in case your academic grade rating is CGPA based, so you have to convert them into equivalent percentage. On successful registration, the registration ID and the registration PIN will be sent to you on your email ID that has been registered with Tech Mahindra. So you have to note down these registration ID and PIN because later on that will be required. Okay, candidates meeting the eligibility criteria will be invited for virtual and proctored online assessment in about 1 to 2 weeks from the date of candidature registration. So within 1 to 2 weeks you will be getting some sort of information regarding your online assessment, right, from this particular email. Also, you should have completed qualifying course in 20 and 21 without any backlog. So there should be no backlog. Should have scored minimum of 60% without rounding up in SCC, 10th, 12th, BE, BTech, MCA, MSc. Not more than 1 year gap between any academic program, right? Or also in case you are already employed, the onus of getting NOC clearance to appear for the test or getting clear exit to join Tech Mahindra Limited on being offered an employment will solely rest on you. So certain other things as well given that be careful when you are filling out your details and all. Do check them before submission. Candidates clearing the online assessment will be invited for next level of evaluation. Ensure you meet other eligibility criteria main for this drive also, and other points are also given. So you can just go through it for the proper understanding, and if you are meeting the eligibility criteria and looking for the opportunities for now, do apply for it. Coming to our next opportunity, so that is from Bitwise. Here's a quick description given regarding the company that its deep technological expertise to develop solution for their clients' most complex business problem over 20 plus years of consistently bringing high performance solutions to our market leading clients in diverse industry across the world. So you can just go through it. We'll be quickly talking about the job description. So Bitwise is hiring for the role of trainee programmer. This is a full-time role. Work location is remote. Offered CTC, they have specified a salary designation to be offered upon conversion to employee will be 6 LPA for trainee programmer. So coming to the eligibility criteria, so professional graduates in BTech, BE, computer science and engineering and information technology science is eligible. 2021 batch are eligible. Excellent communication skills you need. A minimum academic score of 60% in 10th and 12th. A minimum score of 60% in graduation. Required skills are that requirement understanding, good communication skills, good logical thought process, SQL, Java, DBMS concepts and testing concepts, should have good understanding of core Java concepts, should possess good programming, logical and analytical skills, should have basic understanding of database concepts and SQL query writing, flexible to learn new skill sets and working on new technology. Selection process mentioned by them is that first of all an online assessment, then technical interview, then HR interview. Also shortlisted candidates must be available for a further online interview process and should be available for immediate joining. So in case you cannot join immediate, don't apply for it, right? Here they have provided a simple form as well. So you have to fill out this form to complete your registration. Also make sure to check your details before submitting the form. So yeah, these were 3 opportunities for you. I hope that you have found this video useful. If this is so, make sure to hit the like button, do subscribe our channel, and guys please share the video so that others can also know about these opportunities. You can see multiple opportunities are here, so maybe you can help out someone else to let them know about these opportunities. So this is it for this video guys. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Bye bye.